Get ready for some electrifying news. Apple is all set to unveil its sensational new iPhone 15 series. And guess what? The hottest gossip from Korea is that Samsung is taking the stage as the star player, providing the lion's share of OLED panels for the four incredible upcoming phones. Hold on to your hats because here's the inside scoop. Those OLED panels didn't quite make the cut in Apple's quality control test in Cupertino. This sent Apple on a whirlwind adventure, teaming up with their trusty Korean partner, Samsung, to make sure everything stays on track. But that's not all. The excitement doesn't stop there. LG's Samsung are stepping up to the plate to deliver the mesmerizing LTO OLED displays for the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. While BOE was originally slated to provide the dazzling LTPS OLED screens for the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus. However, their products missed the mark according to Apple's high standards, so they had to regroup and try again. Rumor has it that BOE ran into some hiccups with the Face ID punch holes, causing Apple to make a lightning-fast decision to reshuffle their orders at the very last moment. And now, here's the thrilling part. If BOE can pull off a miraculous fix by the end, they might still score some orders for units set to roll out in 2024. But, and it's a big but, the question on everyone's mind is whether the Chinese wizardry will do the trick. The clock is ticking, folks, because Apple is about to drop the curtain on the iPhone 15 devices today at 10 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Don't miss out on the live stream. It's going to be epic. And here's a sneak peek of what you can expect from both the classic iPhone 15 and the jaw-dropping Pro variants. Peace out.